Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can find the best shipping method on CJ Dropshipping. Okay, so let's get started right now, but before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to open or you want to create an account on CJ Dropshipping. That's the first thing you need to do. Now, as you can see, I already have an account on CJ. If you don't have an account, you want to click on register or sign in the top so that you can create an account. Now, as you can see here, guys, it says here shipping method, and next to shipping method you will find your delivery time, and here you will find the country that you want to get the product from. For example, if you want to ship from China, you can just select here China. Just click, for example, on China, and you can find here China selected, and you want to find here the country that you would like to ship to. Okay, your targeting country. For example, if you are dropshipping on Shopify and you are targeting with your ads, you are targeting United States, you want to select here United States. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to select United States, or for example, I'm going to select another country. For example, I'm going to select Israel. Okay, after you select, guys, the country that you want to ship to, then it will show you, CJ will show you here the shipping methods that are available, which is the HL official. The shipping, the delivery time is 3 to 7 days. What's best about this is you can also click on shipping calculation in the top. As you can see here, it says here shipping calculation. Click on that, and you can have full access to shipping cost calculations. Like, you can see how much money you are going to pay and stuff like that. Now I'm going to explain this to you. First, you want to select the platform. So if you are using, for example, Shopify, you want to select Shopify. If you are using TikTok, you want to select TikTok, eCommerce. Now most people, they are going to, they are dropshippers on Shopify. Here it says here shipping from, so where you want the products to come from. Now, if you want these products to come from United States of America, you want to select United States of America, and where it says shipping to your targeting country, the country that you would like to ship the products to. So if you select United States, you can only ship to United States. There is no way to ship from United States to another country other than United States. So if you want to ship, for example, internationally, you want to select China, and you want to select here the country that you would like to ship to. For example, I would like to ship from China to France. You just need to select here France, and here the postcode is just going to be a random code. Okay, you just need to enter here the postcode where it says here shipping method. You can also select which shipping method, but I suggest selecting all so that they're gonna give you guys the best shipping method. Here the weight of the product, I'm going to select, for example, 100. This is just an example, by the way. Now, after you select all the, options that are available here, you want to click on calculate. Now, if you click on calculate, it will give you guys all the shipping price that you are going to pay. As you can see, the shipping fee and the service fee, and the total shipping cost is $5. Now, the service fee is like the packing, the package for you, stuff like that. If you click on this, it says here including labor costs in products, quality inspection, packing, dispatch, so forth. Now, shipping fee, which is the shipping fee, like how much the company is going to charge for the product to be shipped to that country you have selected. Now, and the delivery time is going to be 12 to 15 days, as you can see. So this is exactly how you can see the best shipping methods on CJ. Like I said, you just need to find here the country that you would like to ship to. If you are targeting United States, you can select United States, and then click again on calculate, and then you will see that if you ship this to United States, you can as you see here, the shipping time is reduced significantly, because when you ship to United States, the shipping time is always going to be faster. As you can see, 7 to 11 days, and the cost is almost the same, $5. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Yeah, that's it. If you need any help, just let me know in the comments. I will reply to you guys within a few hours. Please drop a like, and see you guys next video.